Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to set up and install Facebook Pixel on your website. Having Facebook Pixel is very crucial because it will help you scale up your ads, it will help you improve your sales, and it will decrease your ad cost. And I'm going to show you how to do all this in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Vimal. I'm a digital marketing and website strategist, and in this channel I post content on digital marketing strategies and WordPress tutorials. If this is something that you would like to learn, consider subscribing to my channel. So guys, we are going to see what a Facebook Pixel is and why we need a Facebook Pixel and how to create a Facebook Pixel and how to install it on our website. So what is a Facebook Pixel? I'm going to show you a simple definition given by Hootsuite, which is self-explanatory. So Facebook Pixel is a code that we place on our website. It collects data that tracks conversion from Facebook ads. It works by placing and triggering cookies to track users as they interact with our website and Facebook ads. So it's basically a code that we place on our website. The code looks like this, and this is something that we place in a header code of a website. If we are using websites like Wix, WordPress, etc., it's very easy. We don't need to place the entire code. We just need to install a plugin, and I'm going to show you how. So once we place this code, this pixel will automatically leave cookies on the website of our users, and it will start tracking data. So why we need Facebook Pixel? Because it helps in retargeting our users. Retargeting helps improve your sales, and it helps to track how many conversions we are receiving, how many sales is happening, and it helps us to create custom audience and lookalike audience, which is a powerful feature provided by Facebook. It helps to scale our ad performance, and then it helps us to optimize for conversions. So Facebook Pixel is something that not many people are using, even though they are running ads. By installing Facebook Pixel, you will definitely be able to improve your ad performance, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's move on to the next step, that is how to create and install a Facebook Pixel. The Facebook Pixel, go to facebook.com/ads manager, and you'll end up in your own personal ad account. And once you go to that, click on the business tools icon, that is the menu here. Click on that, and then go to event manager and click on connect a data source. You can click here, or else you can click the plus icon here. Once you click on that, click on web, because we are installing this in a website. If you are using an app, you can click on app, get started, and then we are clicking on Facebook Pixel, connect, and then I'm going to name Pixel. So I'm going to give my name, and here I'm going to give the website address. So this is the website I'm going to use as an example. This is the demo website, and then click on continue. Now it will ask you for two options. One is install code manually, or else use a partner integration. So if you are someone familiar with how a website code works, you can go with this. So you can either go with the install code manually, where you will get a code like this. You can copy it and paste it on the header code of your website, or else you can go with other option, that is use a partner, and here you can click on WordPress, as we are using WordPress right now. And it also has other platforms such as Wix, Zoom, etc. Here click on continue, and then the Facebook Pixel, they itself give a plugin, so you can download that plugin. And once you download the plugin, it's just a step-by-step process which they explain how to install it. So I'm going to show you that. So once you go to WordPress, click on dashboard, go to add plugin, click on upload plugin, choose file, install now. Once you activate the plugin, you can go to the settings of the plugin, and you will see your pixel ID is automatically saved there, so you don't need to copy paste anything now. So click on save changes and go to Facebook, click on continue. We have already installed it. On continue, can ignore this, continue, and verify connection. So here I'm gonna paste my home page link. You can paste whatever link you want to test with, send test traffic, and come to the Facebook page. and this shows that the Facebook pixel is properly installed and it is able to recognize it. then click on continue. So if you have any event to trigger, like if you have a landing page, if you have a thank you page, for that you can set up an event right now. But I'm going to be teaching you about creating an event and creating a conversion campaign for this in a later video. This video is just going to be installing and setting up Facebook Pixel. So you can skip this and then close. So now the Facebook Pixel is installed on your website. So that's another way with which you can test if your website has Pixel or not. So go to Google and type in Facebook Pixel Helper, and it will open this in your Chrome Web Store and install it. I have it already installed. So once you open your website and refresh it, it will show you if your website has Pixel or not. So here it shows the Pixel ID and also the name and also the events that's been created. So you can use this tool for any website and you can check if they have Pixel or not. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. If you thought this video was informative, please make sure to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, it's bye from Vimal.